How do I access the video call filter on WhatsApp?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to walk through the steps on how to access and apply video call filters on WhatsApp. This can add a fun element to your video calls and helps express your mood in a creative way.
Ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp.
The first thing you need to do is to make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. The video call filter feature is only available on the latest versions of WhatsApp. You can update your app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store depending on your device.
Starting a video call on WhatsApp.
Once you've ensured that your app is updated, start a video call with a contact. You can do this by opening the chat with the contact, tapping the video call icon on the top right of your screen.
How to access filters during a call.
While you are on the video call, tap on the screen to reveal the call options. Look for the filter icon, typically represented by a symbol such as a magic wand or 3 interconnected circles.
Applying the filters.
After you tap the filter icon, you'll see a range of filters that you can choose from. Just tap on the filter you want to apply to your video call. You can change or remove the filter at any time during the call by repeating the same steps. And there you have it. You've just learned how to access and apply filters on your WhatsApp video calls. Remember, you can change these at any point during the call to best suit your mood or environment. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and that you'll enjoy adding a fun twist to your video calls. Happy video chatting!